Okay, so let's look at a specific scenario. In the case of the butterfly, it is a herbivore eating from the flowering plant and the lavender. If the butterfly population was to drastically decrease by an insecticide or some sort of chemical that affected them, the butterfly population would drop massively. This would cause the flowering plant and the lavender populations, specifically the flowers and the petals of those plants, to increase massively because they no longer are eaten by the butterfly. The frog and the dragonfly both live on the butterfly. They are its predator and it is their prey. As a result, both of their populations will decrease. They have lost a food supply. One scenario. The frog has less butterfly to eat, so its population decreases. It may also shift its focus from its prey butterfly to its prey grasshopper, and their populations may decrease. Another scenario. Let's say the corn is completely destroyed. The farmer has come along and he's seen that a plague of locusts has flown in, eaten the corn and flown off. What will happen? Well, in almost all scenarios, if the producer is destroyed, the food chain connected to it as part of a food web often collapses. In the case of the corn population, the grasshopper only eats corn. It is its sole food supply. As a result, there is a significant knock-on effect. With the corn gone, the grasshopper has literally no food. Look at the arrows. There is no other arrows going up from a producer to a grasshopper. Grasshoppers are totally killed. This removes the sole food supply for the rat. Rat population dies. The frog population has the butterfly and the dragonfly and the fly, so it will survive, but its numbers may take a significant hit. Likewise, as the rat has completely been destroyed and the grasshopper is completely gone, this will force the python to eat more of the frog. The cubs of the wolf may also be more affected by increased predation from the snake. This in turn will reduce the prey available to the apex predator, the eagle. Even an organism as far removed from the corn as the thrush will feel the effects. Its prey food source, the dragonfly and fruit fly, will be squeezed by increased predation from the frog. This will make it harder for the thrush to find food. Also, it itself is a sole food source now to the wolf. Ultimately, the loss of the corn as a producer will have a significant and possibly destructive effect on the whole food web. Look out for the next video in this series, Ecology 4, Biological Pyramids.